guys, my name is Chetna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel I post book related videos. So if you love reading, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So today's video is going to be a different video. So this is a book haul. Last 2 weeks ago there was a book fair called as Books by Weight which held in Pune, wherein you don't get books based on the MRPs but on their weight. So the cost was only 100 rupees per kg for fiction books, and there were a lot of genres like memoirs, autobiographies, then classics, historical books, travel related books, cooking, crafts, and many more categories. And there were also business and finance related, some academics books as well, and the children's books were 200 rupees per kg. So this, all in all, it was like a steal deal, and I would have never missed such amazing opportunity. So yeah, I got few bunch of books from this book fair which I will be sharing in today's video, and the cost of all the books I will be telling at the end of the video. So meanwhile you can just guess the cost and write it in the comment section below. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So the very first book that I got from this book fair is Watersmeet by Janet T. Sauer. So this is a classic book, and it is a historical romance set in 1800s, and this is a story of a girl called as Madeline and a guy who is a spy. So yes, it has a really good cover and a hardcover. Hardcovers are damn expensive these days, and I am sure it will be an amazing read. Next book is Charlie Conley in the Search of Elvis. This is also some mystery sort of book, and there were a lot of copies of this book in the book fair. Yes, I am excited to read it. Next is Monsieur Pamplemousse and the Carbon Footprint by Michelle Bond. Again, some mystery sort of book. And one good thing is that the quality of all the books that I got is really amazing. So getting such quality at such low price is like a steal deal. Next is Log 14 by George Simenon. I have started reading this book, and so far it is good. And I kind of underestimated for this book. Like, I thought I will be completing this book within one sitting because the size of the book is pretty small, but the language is not that you can just fly through this book. So this is a Penguin classic. And yeah, it will take a little more time, but yes. Next up is Ruth Kindle Simisola. So this is again some mystery sort of book where a girl gets disappeared, and I'm not sure about what is inside the book, but yeah, I am excited to read it. Next up is Remember Me This Way by Sabine Durant. So this is the book, and they don't have any blurb at the back of the book. I don't know why the blurbs are getting replaced by the reviews these days. No idea. So let's just read and find out what is inside the book. Next book I just got for the pretty shiny cover. This is again a mystery book. So this is Molly Moon Stops the World by Georgia Byng. I am sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong. So this is a story about a girl called Molly, and she has some hypnotic powers, and she can just control everyone's mind. And then she tries to investigate something, and there is another master hypnotist who secretly controls the mind of Hollywood biggest stars. So yeah, this is the book. So the next book is 2012 Crystal Skull by Manda Scott. So I'm not sure if this is the same as the 2012 movie, But yeah, this is also regarding the end of the world kind of situation, but yes, I am pretty excited to read it. Next up is Coming Home for Christmas by Julia Williams. Finally, some author that I have, heard about before. Because although there were so many books which I have never heard or seen before, and that makes me like a bit anxious sometimes. So yeah, this is a YA contemporary fiction, and it has Christmas, so good. Next up is Sophie Kinsella's Shopaholic and Sister. I was so happy to find this book over there because this was on my TBR since a long time, and I got this. Sophie Kinsella's books, like you don't have to think twice before buying it, just buy it. They are good. Next two books, I am not sure why I bought them, but yes, this is Mistaken Love by Shirley Kemp and Ellie Blake's The Secret Wedding Dress. So the next book is quite an interesting book that I found in the book fair. It is Carter's Postals from Greece by Victoria Hislop. So this is a story about a girl called Ellie who gets some postcards like the places from Greece every week after week, and after which she is so intrigued by those places that she decides to take a trip to Greece by herself and visit those places. So she not only gets to know about the culture over there, but also about the person, like how he is and his desire to live life to the full once more. So yeah, this looks very interesting, and it also has some nice pictures. Yes, I hope this book also turns out good as it seems. My grammar today, I don't know. The next book is Scotland, The Visitor's Guide. So this is the most random book that I got for myself, and this actually has some nice pictures in Scotland, which I wish to visit one day. So you never know, I can be the next Ellie who is like intrigued by these pictures and plans her Scotland trip very soon. So the next book is The Zari in der Nacht by Eva Stackneck. So this is actually a German book. I am learning German, and I just got this book for my reading and vocab practice. And it is a story about some palace and princess, and which is like my favorite trope. And yes, this is kind of a like higher level for me, but yes, I'm trying to read it, and let's see. Coming to the last section, it is like some children's books that I got for myself. So yes, it also has Cinderella and of course Frozen. Like Frozen is one of my favorite movies. I have at least watched the movie 7 to 8 times till now, and I just love it. So it has really nice cool pictures in these. Yes. So yes, these are all the books that I got from the Pune Book Fair. So these are 18, but I actually got 19 books. One is just a cookbook which I got. So yeah, time to tell you the cost of the book. It is, drum rolls please, it is only 690 rupees for this bunch of books that I got. So I'm really happy with my purchase So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and yes, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.